everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am flipping through two new sticker books from Love Posh. We have Chic Christmas and Hello Winter. These are going to be releasing next week, so next Saturday on the 28th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll have all the info down in the description for you to check out, links as well. Right now we are just seeing all the stickers that I will be releasing for this release. So I'm just gonna flip through these right now, and then during the week I will have some plan with me's featuring these books because I'm really excited to get into these. Very excited about that. But for now, I'm just gonna flip through these books and show you what's in these so you can decide if you want to purchase them, and I will have everything, all the info down in the description for this release. So yeah, I'm gonna first start off with Hello Winter. Also, just a little side note, unfortunately it's another hot day here in San Diego, and because of that there are a ton of people in the pool, which I live right by the pool. So you'll probably hear, hopefully you don't, because I hear it when I'm editing my videos, but I'm hoping you don't hear it, a lot of yelling in the background because they're having a lot of fun over there. So just don't mind that. Just wanted to point that out in case somebody gets worried because they hear somebody screaming. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. But I'm going to flip through this book right here. It's called Hello Winter. We have the bucket list page right here, which is really, really pretty. I love the colors. So I really like that she's including these in her books because I like to do my bucket list pages like this, where I have the item and then also have a decorative sticker to go with it. She also includes these little boxes that you can like check them off once you've completed it. And I really like these little washi strips stickers, where they look like they're a washi roll kind of sticker. Those are fun. I might do a spread using this because I think this is such a cute page. But this is the winter bucket list, and you get 2 sheets of these. Then you get them in a larger version right here, and these are all paper. Well, that was paper, and this one's a clear sticker sheet. Then we have the girls playing in the snow with some of the cozy winter stuff. Cute. Oh, I love these flowers. They're so pretty, the blues and the pinks. So far these are paper. And then look at this cute pink winter stickers. The little deer, the hot cocoa, the cabin, and then the florals. Those are really pretty. And then here's another sheet, some snowflakes. Cute. And those have been all paper, but this sheet right here is clear. They're like the orange slices, which is really pretty with the pink. So you get that one in clear. This one is clear too, and these are clear as well. That's different. I don't think I've done a spread with these like fall looking orange slices. Then we have some florals. These are clear, 2 sheets like that. Oh, look at these cute animals. And then we have some different shapes. These are like a oval, and this middle part is cut out so that way you can write inside once you put it in on your planner. But the florals and then the animals, really cute. More of those blue florals. These are clear as well. More of the cabins, pretty in the blue. Hello Winter. Ooh, that's pretty. That's different. The green florals. These are clear. Ooh, I love these little scenes. So we have like a house, and then the inside, the bed, the chimney, or the fireplace. So pretty. That one was paper, and then this one is clear. So you get 1 of each. More of those right here. Little scenes. I love little scenes. Paper and clear on these. And then we have some of the girls. They look so comfy cozy in all their winter clothes. Paper and clear for those. Wow, look at these. These are really pretty. I love the pink and blue together. These like scenes are so gorgeous. Love that. Okay, so you get 2. These are both clear. And then we have another one, the little town. So cute. These are both clear. Oh, how cute is this one? This is like the planner page. Washi. These are paper. And then more of them over here. The cute little Christmas trees. The planner with the penguin. Absolutely adorable. Those are paper. We have a Hanukkah page. That's nice to see. So we have all the Hanukkah things here. Got a dreidel, the menorah. It says Happy Hanukkah. You get a paper and a clear sheet here. Then a New Year's one. Oh, look at the girls. Ready for the New Year. Cute. Some fireworks. Love that. Paper and clear on these. A little bit more on this side. I love like when they have the backs of the girls. I love that. I like using those kind of stickers. 2024. That's crazy. That's about to happen. These are clear. Then we have some quotes. Love the variety on these. Winter wishes. Snuggle up and watch it snow. Let it snow. Baby, it's cold outside. Then you get them in clear. So paper and clear. Boxes. Some blue boxes. And checklists. Headers. And habit trackers. Bullet points. Nice. Then green. And then the headers. I really like those greens. Those are nice greens. Pinks and red. Pretty, pretty. I love pinks. And especially this like mauvey pink. That one's really pretty. Okay, I think that's the last page. Okay, that is it for Hello Winter. That is a nice book. Lots of variety of stickers. You got the lots of decorative. You got the functional. You got the quotes. You got everything you need for a spread in here. Love that. Okay, next one up is Chic Christmas. Excited for this one because I love Christmas. Can't wait to do all the Christmas spreads. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this is. Pink, green, and red. Love this color combo. We got some Santas, poinsettias. I like that little ho ho ho. Adorable. Dear Santa. Oh my goodness. The artwork on here is so cute. You got all the letters to Santa, a stamp. That stamp is too adorable. Cute. Dear Santa, Merry Christmas, love. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh, there's more. Nice until proven naughty. Okay, this is super cute. I have to call this out. So, this says, let me bring it up. It says, Dear Santa, I promise I've been good all year, at least most of the time and once in a while. Never mind, I'll buy my own stuff. And right here it says like a little checklist. Love Posh stickers, washi, and Luxe washi cutter, planner bag, sticky notes, pens and markers, stickers. Lots of stickers. Oh my goodness, that's too adorable. That is so cute. Dear Santa, just leave your credit card under the tree. Love that. Ooh, this is really pretty. Again, the scenes. I love a good scene. I love the colors. Pretty, pretty. Ooh, that's so cute. The little candy shop, the treat shop. Love that. All right, those were all paper. This is the first clear sheet, I believe. Got some pretty florals and the ornaments hanging down. Love those. The girls, the gorgeous girls ready for Christmas. Pretty, even more traditional. Ooh, look at these little shops. You can make a little city, like a little town scene. These are clear. There's Santa. How, that's a pretty house. Fireplace, some trucks, sweater, Christmas movies and chill. Merry and bright. I love this color scheme right here. The girls in their PJs, super comfy, cozy. That's usually what our Christmas looks like. More like PJ style, not dressed up style. Christmas baking queen. Christmas calories don't count. I love these colors. They're so pretty. We have a little washi strip right here. 25 December. Eat, drink, be merry. Cute, cute. Then we have more of a blue color scheme on this one, blue and red. It's really pretty. The slippers and the ornaments. Cute. All the presents. And then, ooh, I like this green. It's like kind of dark, but I like it. The dog with the hat on. He's cute. More of the trees. These are clear stickers. Ooh, that one's pretty. It says Silent Night, Holy Night. I love the florals. So you got like the little nativity kind of scene. Cute. Those are pretty. Christ the Savior is born. Noel. That's really pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, and then we have, I love ornament stickers like that. More poinsettias. Love the pink and red. That looks like a cute little stamp. Love the beetle with the Christmas tree on top. These are all paper stickers right here. Then we have some quotes. I run on coffee and Christmas cheer. Santa's favorite. Jesus is the reason for this season. Spread Christmas cheer. Meet me under the mistletoe. These are paper, and then you have a clear version here. And then some more quotes. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Meet me under the mistletoe. 'Tis the season. I like this one. The Christmas with the definition. Christmas blessings. And then that's paper, and then clear. So this one doesn't have functional stickers. This one's just strictly decorative and quotes, which I love too, because, you know, we have lots of boxes we can pull from too. So yeah, love these. This is what's releasing next week on Saturday. Definitely check it out. I will have more videos up featuring these books in the coming week, since release isn't until the 28th. So we have some time to figure out if, you know, you want to purchase this or not. But if you do, please make sure to use a code. There's a bunch of codes out there, but I do have my code, which is Happy to Plan, and that'll be down in the description if you're interested in using it, to at least get 10% off, because you want to get a little discount. But that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.